शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी
Okay, Google. A warm and cheerful good morning to one and all present over here. On the behalf of DAV Public School, Jagannath Area Dera, I extend a hearty welcome to our esteemed principal madam, Mrs. Shukla Chakraborty, and our academic supervisor, Mr. Sia Chakraborty, my dear colleagues and adorable children. We have assembled here to celebrate National Mathematics Day, which is a birthday of Sri S. Ramanujan, the math pedagogy and genius of the international acclaim. Yes, such days are reinforce the achievement of such great individuals, make us aware of it, make us aware and figure our heart and mind to reawaken things and we relive the time, the man, and the moon. We revisit those meetings. Now I welcome our children are ready with steps to take us through. I am delighted to inform that the National Mathematics Day is all about what Sri Ramanujan means to us. Before that, I would like to request Dr. Sia Chakrabarti sir and Sri R.K. Gowda sir, Dr. Nirmal Tripathi sir to extend floral welcome to Madam Shukla Chakrabarti, Principal of. Now I would like to request Madam Shukla Chakrabarti to light the holy lamp and usher in the celebration of National Mathematics Day. Madam, please. Lightning of the holy lamp is make of invocation to the God of fire, fire that is energy and regeneration. It is the dispeller of ignorance and evil of darkness. I also request to play a floral tribute to S. Ramanujan, the unparalleled mathematical genius who gave us name, fame, Madam. Request to play floral tribute to S. Ramanujan, the unparalleled mathematical genius who gave us name, fame. Now I welcome Bhakti Bhavna of class 10 for the speech of biography of S. Ramanujan. Bhakti Bhavna.
The man who knew infinity, who shared with numbers a great affinity, carved his birthday into a magical square when many studied for their future aware. He did not mind the bruises and got cause of poverty, which were the marks of his scholarly curiosity. And this great person is none other than Srinivasan Ramanujan. Good morning, one and all present over here. Esteemed principal ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Bhakti Bhavna, on the eve of National Mathematics Day, is going to say something about the great personality. Srinivasan Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. He had no formal training in pure mathematics, but he had substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including answers to some of the questions that were considered unsolvable. During his short life, Ramanujan independently compiled 3,900 results, mostly identities and equations. Many were completely novel, his original and highly unconventional results, such as the Ramanujan prime, the Ramanujan theta function, partition formulae, and mock theta functions. He has inspired a vast amount of further research and has opened new areas of work. In mathematics, there is a distinction between insight and formulating or working through a proof. He provided an abundance of formulae that could be investigated later in depth. When he was 15 years old, he had obtained a copy of George Shoebury's Carr's Synopsis of Elementary Results on Pure and Applied Mathematics. This collection of thousands of theorems, many presented with only the briefest proofs and with no material newer than 1860s, aroused his genius. Having verified the results in Carr's book, Ramanujan went beyond it, developing his own theorems and ideas. In 1903, he secured a scholarship to the University of Madras, but lost it as he neglected all other subjects in pursuit of mathematics. In 1911, Ramanujan published the first of his papers in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. His genius slowly gained recognition and fame. In 1913, he began a correspondence with British mathematician Geoffrey H. Hardy. He collaborated with him in some research. Although he was completely unaware of modern developments in mathematics, his mastery of continued fractions was unequaled by any living mathematician. He worked out Riemann series, the elliptic integrals, hypersymmetric series, the functional equations of zeta functions, and his own theory of divergent series. His papers were published in English and European journals, and in 1918 he was elected to the Royal Society London. In 1917, Ramanujan had contracted tuberculosis, but his condition improved and he returned to India in 1919. He died the following year, generally unknown to the world at large, but recognized by mathematicians as a phenomenal genius. Ramanujan left behind three books and a sieve of pages. The sieve of pages was called the Lost Notebook that contained many unpublished theorems. Due to his superlative contribution to mathematics, his birthday was declared as National Mathematics Day by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Ramanujan's death at the height of his power was a tremendous blow to mathematics. His like may never be seen again. Thank you and have a glorious day.
Thank you, Bhavna. Mathematical song. Have you ever heard a mathematical song? Maybe not. We all supposed to. Math and song can never go along. Anyway, let's listen Drishti of class 8A delight us through her mathematical song. Drishti 8A.
A very good morning to esteemed principal ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Wishing you all a very happy Mathematics Day. Today, I'm going to sing a song on maths. Maths is magic, maths is magic. Learning maths is fun, learning maths is fun. With so much to learn, with so much to learn. Maths is full of fun, maths is full of fun. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and division. Profits are added, losses are subtracted, percentage to be done, percentage to be done. Maths is full of fun, maths is full of fun. Geometry is full of mystery, algebra has a big history. Lines are parallel, angles are similar. Maths is full of fun, maths is full of fun. Maths is magic, maths is magic. Learning maths is fun, learning maths is fun. With so much to learn, with so much to learn. Maths is full of fun, maths is full of fun. Maths is very necessary in life, and without it is very difficult to survive. Thank you.
Thank you, Drishti, for nice song. We have a next episode with Vishwajit Sahu of class 5. He would indulge us with some fun-filled mathematical activity. Now let's go to Vishwajit. Have fun with mathematics. Over to Vishwajit.
A very good morning to our esteemed principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my viewers. Today, I Vishwajit Sahu standing before you on the occasion of Mathematics Day is going to recite a poem entitled Fun with Mathematics. Mathematics is full of fun, so much to learn. Professor added, also subtracted. Degrees are multiplied and percentage is divided. Geometry is full of mystery, algebra is history, integers as different as brothers. Lines are parallel, angles are similar. Math is necessary in life. Without it, it's difficult to survive.
Vishwajit, you are not visible, beta. Switch off the video and start it again later. Vishwajit, let us have Vishwajit with fun with mathematics. Over to visible. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Am I visible?
Yes.
Visible?
Yes, Vishwajit, now you are visible. Go ahead, start.
Math. What's math? Math is like time. It never stops. Math is a book. You can't close it till it's done. Math is like a lottery. You can never win. Math is a painting. You can't lose interest in it. Math is like eternity. It is never over. Math is a smile. It can be happy and evil. Math is a roller coaster. It's exciting. Math is like an alien. You don't know all about it. Math is like a sword. When you mess up, it hurts. Math is a mother. It's always there when you need it. Math is like a rainbow. It has a treasure at the end. Let's know something about numeration. You know, numeration is a murderer. 7, 8, 9. When he got into court, he said, I had to dine. Subtraction is like ice cream. They both disappear. I know someone who likes them, and he is a peer. Subtraction is like geometry. They both use line segments. Line segments are used a lot. They are on the monuments. Subtraction is a casino. You never come out with more. When you do get some cash, you will use it at the store. And since a birthday party, you always get more. You get a bit of money and presents galore. Division is like friends. You have to share with both. Both are essential for your childhood growth. Multiplication is a herd of animals. It's always getting bigger. But when one set hits another, I think they will merge together. Operations are really cool. It's one of the things I like. Math and physics are also great. We measured my cot pi. At last, I will wish everyone a very happy mathematics day. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwajit. Now let us watch a dance performance presented by Abhilipsa and Arpita. Abhilipsa and Arpita will present a dance. What an inspiring performance. Thank you, Arpita and group. Now I would like to Maitri Mishra Madam for her words of information and motivation on this occasion. Madam.
First of all, good morning to everyone. Respected Principal Madam, Head of Mathematical Department, Nirmal Sir, Gowda Sir, distinguished guests, and my dear students. As all of us know that we have gathered here today to celebrate National Mathematics Day, which actually falls on 22nd December annually. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan that India have ever produced. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, presently a city of Tamil Nadu. His father was Kuppuswamy Srinivasa Iyengar, who worked as a clerk in sari shop, and mother Komala Amalam, and who worked as a housewife and sang at a local temple. When Ramanujan was 1.5 years old, he contracted smallpox but recovered. Unlike 4,000 others, died in that year in the town. In October 1982, Ramanujam was enrolled at a local school in Kanchipuram, again moved to Kumbakonam to continue his schooling. Since Ramanujam's father was at work most of the day, his mother took care of the boy and they had a close relationship. Ramanujam learned about tradition, Puranas, to sing religious songs, to attend pujas at temple, and to maintain particular eating habits, all a part of Brahmin culture. Just before turning 10 in November 1897, he passed his primary examination with the best scores in the district. Ramanujam, a child prodigy, at the age of 13, mastered advanced trigonometry. By the age of 14, he received merit certificate and awards that continued throughout his school career. In 1903, at the age of 16, he caught hold of a book on pure and applied mathematics written by G.S. Carr. Ramanujam studied the book in detail, and this was the point where his genius was awakened. Following year, he developed independently Bernoulli's number and calculated Euler constant up to 15 decimal places. His peers could rarely understand him. During his study in higher secondary school, he was awarded many prizes for mathematics, and the headmaster of the school recommended him for scores for higher than the maximum. In 1910, he met the founder of Indian Mathematical Society, V. Ramaswamy Iyer, who understood his potential as a researcher in mathematics and included him a researcher at the University of Madras. Ramanujam married Janaki at the age of 22. In 1913, Ramanujan secured a research position at Madras University and moved his family to Triplicary, now known as Chennai. His genius on mathematics was known at the higher echelon of mathematical society. With the help of R. Ramachandra Rao, the district collector of Nellore, who understood Ramanujan's brilliance on mathematics, Ramanujan could publish in the Journal of Indian Mathematical Society. During 1913, Ramanujan's work was sent to British mathematicians at University College of London and Cambridge University. A professor, G.S. Hardy of Cambridge University, could gauge Ramanujan's potential as a mathematician and his problem-solving powers of infinity series, hypergeometric series. After seeing Ramanujan's theorem on continued fraction, G.S. Hardy commented that Ramanujan was a mathematician of highest quality and a man of exceptional originality and power. After Hardy's persuasion, Ramanujan moved to Cambridge in April 1940. He nearly spent 5 years in Hardy. He nearly spent 5 years in Cambridge in collaboration with Hardy and published part of his findings there. Ramanujan was awarded Bachelor of Arts degree in 1916 for composite maths number that was published in London Mathematical Society. On December 1917, Ramanujan was elected to the London Mathematical Society, and in May 1918, he was elected the Fellow of the Royal Society, the second Indian to have achieved so. In October 1918, he was the first Indian to be elected as a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Ramanujan was plagued by health problems throughout his life. He was diagnosed by tuberculosis and severe vitamin deficiency. He was confined to a sanatorium. In 1919, he returned to Kumbakonam, Madras residency. In 1920, he died at a young age of 32, and India lost a young mathematician of extraordinary prodigy. So this was all about Ramanujan and the great mathematician we are here all to celebrate as a mathematics day, National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I welcome Rituparna and her team for their dance performance. Rituparna and her team.
Sir, ma'am, we are visible and
Yes.
audible too?
Yes, you are visible and audible both.
Okay, ma'am.
Pythagoras theorem, math में एक theorem है। Pythagoras theorem, math में एक theorem है। Pythagoras theorem, math का भी एक sum है। जैसे दोनों side के square से hypotenuse square बनता है। ऐसे प्यार मोहब्बत से भी रिश्ता नया जुड़ता है। जीने के लिए practice है। सुनो सुनो ये बात है। प्यार से dynamics है। Life may be a yo, your life is square of the area. By it, volume of the void, by square. The area, by it. Zaba huna na, like the area must be gone.
Thank you for making the special one. Thank you, children, for your fantastic performance. Now I would invite Dr. Tripathi sir to address the gathering. Tripathi sir.
Good morning, all. Esteemed Principal Ma'am, respected Chakravarti sir, my dear colleague, and my virtually who are joining my students. On this auspicious occasion, I want to say to avoid the effect of gas first. A man whose age is 32 years only passed away and given to the society around 3,600 formula and many discoveries like infinite series, straight line, conic section, many things. And he always believed that y is equal to x plus b. It is a linear equation, and y he explained nicely why the God and x we the human beings, and A and B are the non-living things. It is constant. So he believed that an equation for me has no meaning unless it express a thought of God. So he was always believe God, whatever he has made, he believed that God. So on this auspicious occasion, I want to say to my dear colleagues, will avoid afraid between the children. Children generally, students are generally afraid the maths, but INSOS will take to them from beginning to LKG to standard 12. So they will avoid that afraid, and they will take that. They will make in such way fun to them. They will interested to take maths positively, and they will get the good result. So thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request our principal ma'am, Shukla Chakravarti, to bless one and all present in the celebration. Madam, please. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
At the very outset, my rich tributes to Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan on behalf of all teachers and students of DAV Public School, MCL Jagannath Area Dera, to the great soul, our rich tributes. This is the birth anniversary, December 22nd, is the birth anniversary of the greatest mathematician that we have seen, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Well, mathematics is just not a subject taught in the school. Mathematics is a way of life. And mathematics is the greatest spirit, the greatest creative art that one can possess. It is fun. Ramanujan has not only given the whole world a series of formulae and some equations, the procedures of mathematics, but he had given the world lot of fun activities also. Mathematics square, I understand, is a very interesting phenomenon where you have got all the rows and columns, whichever you add, the value will be 139. You have got mathematics number 1729. So endless. I won't be talking much about details of the contribution because for this last 10 minutes, either the teachers or the students have been speaking about it. But what attracts my attention when I look into the life of Srinivasan Ramanujan is the way he has come up in spite of all the adversities that he had in his life is definitely an inspiration for all of us. It is rightly said, when you have to fight the storm, you must go above the clouds. Probably Ramanujan has shown the whole world that the humble means cannot stand as a barrier in the way of anybody's desire to do something. The last 10 minutes we have been listening from the teacher and the student about the difficulties that he had faced continuously from his childhood. And 32 years, he was in this world only for 32 years. And within 32 years, look at the graph, look at his contribution, that is amazing. It was only mathematics. Maybe he slept mathematics, he ate mathematics, he dreamt mathematics. So that is the
commitment that we need to do. And I strongly believe that every child is born with an inherent quality. But what happens? We get ourselves so distracted that ultimately we strive away. We do not focus. So, small message to all my students who are connected to us through the virtual platform is like we need to recognize that inherent quality with which we are born. Everyone, each one of us, some quality. God has given us, gifted us with some quality. So we need to polish it. If we are able to polish it, nobody can stop us from shining. Ramanujan has left a trail of anecdotes, a trail of achievements for each one of us. I think his IQ was so high that he is placed among the 20 most intelligent people of the world. So that is Ramanujan. My dear children, when we talk about mathematics, even the small statement of a child who is in nursery prep or LKG class, I want 2 biscuits. When the child wants 2 biscuits, he has some mathematics in his mind, some computation in his mind. He knows that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is more than 1. So all these concepts are already there in his mind. So that's why I say mathematics is a way of life. Either it is a basic concept in the preparatory classes, or it is in the highest class of post-graduation level or any other level to the highest degree of mathematics. So we need to indulge, we need to understand, we need to have commitment, we have to have focus whenever we think to achieve something. And when we celebrate this kind of days, when we observe this kind of days, we always remind ourselves that yes, people who have done, who have achieved this kind of height are an inspiration for us, and we also have got lot to do. Who knows? Anyone from you would reach to that great height where tomorrow people would be sitting and talking about you in this kind of forums. So have that faith in yourself. Talking about today's observation, I'm so happy that the mathematics department of DAV Public School MCL Jagannath area Dera, the teachers got together, they thought about celebrating or observing the day in such a way. This is a time of compulsions, retarded movements. The students who are participating from the other side, they happily connected with us. Somebody wrote a poem and thought to give it a tune and sing it out. Some children out there thought about some activities. Some children thought about some dances on the tune of decimal ratios. It was quite interesting. So it's a total team, the teamwork of the teachers and the students, which really have made this occasion so special for all of us. And that is the spirit I say. Adversities are going to come. We cannot live in a world without adversity. But how we overcome that adversity is the quality that we all must possess. And this is the finest example that in spite of all difficulties, we are here, the children sitting at home, the teachers in the school, and we are observing the day in such a grand way. What better could we have thought about? So my thanks to the mathematics department, all the teachers who are out there with us today, who have organized such a wonderful program for all of us. I thank you all, Dr. Chakraborty, who is always there with the teachers as the academic coordinator of our school, and this, my lovely students and the viewers who are there with us there in the YouTube channel. My thanks to all of you. Let us live the moment, the birth anniversary of Sri Srinivas Ramanujan, draw inspiration and do something tomorrow that will make us all happy. Happy Mathematics Day once again. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, madam, for your inspiring words. Thank you so much. Now I will request our academic coordinator, Dr. C.R. Chakrabarti, sir, to give away the vote of thanks. Please.
A very good morning to one and all.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. At first, I pay my homage to Srinivas Ramanujan, who is a great mathematician of India. Esteemed Principal Madam, Vidmal sir, Goda sir, and my dear colleagues and the children, those who are virtually connected in this occasion. Srinivas Ramanujan, he was a great mathematician. So he solved many problems, many equations, many theorems, and particularly what is the meaning of zero? When you add 0 to 1, that is 10 times increases. So another number 40, which is alphabetically arranged, F-O-R-T-Y. So this is in alphabetical order. It is the number only which is in alphabetical order, 40. So students, the National Mathematics Day is being observed in our school, and you people are connected virtually. So in this occasion, our esteemed principal madam, who is the source of inspiration, who is the guiding force for all. So at first, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to our esteemed principal madam for this occasion. And also I extend my heartfelt thanks to the teachers of mathematics department who have arranged this program in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, and virtually the children are connected with us. I also extend my thanks to our technical team, Rupak sir and his team, for giving this opportunity in YouTube link. The students, all the students could observe through this link. And at last, I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the members of the school for this organization of this type of function with a short interval of time. So thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now with this, we will conclude and we come to the end of this program. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much.